Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. So, for today's vlog, nandito kami ngayon sa house project ng lolo ni Lucas. So, nag-visit kami. Yun yung alaga ko. How are you doing, buddy? You think how much Akong will pay you? 100. Good. O, diba? Pwede ng construction work. Smile on my vlog, Lucas. Yeah. Oh, pwede nang tagahalo ng simento. Ito yung bahay na ginagawa ng lolo niya. Kasi foreman. Hey, lolo niya. Ito yung bahay. Malaki siya. So, almost done na siya. This is the living room. This is the room. My toilet then. So may mga wirings na. This is the toilet, I think. Yeah, bathroom. Dun sa kabilang side na tiles na yung half. So malaki ito, up and down siya. So nalagyan na ng walling. Yeah. So ang ganda. So I think kitchen siguro ito. Kitchen. Yeah, kasi may maliit na window doon. And this is another room. May sarili ding toilet. Palabas na. Toilet niya. Yun yung alaga ko. Pawis na. So, dahil wala kami magawa. Yeah! Just here. This is by the beach. I'm coming up. Gawa ng alaga ko. Pwede na siyang magsimento. How did you go there? Saan ang daan? Wala namang daan. Okay na, okay na. Okay. Let's see. This will be the rooftop by the beach. Yun. Do not. You will slide. You will be going down up to the... And you're stepping on the wirings. You are. Ay, daga. No. Go back here. Look.
Right?
No. Celista's house is not here.
There.
Mommy. That is the neighbor. They have a nice beach house. Overlooking talaga. Pero hindi siya ganun ka-organize kasi halos nasa labas pa yung
They're making it for somebody.
That one?
Yes, this house.
This house.
What?
Yeah, but there's... I don't see the cat anymore, the dead cat.
We make it so hard, right? This one. I'll check if they need any help. You stay here.
No, Akong is helping boss up to put the umbrella because it's sunny today. It's hard to work outside. What are they doing? You go under the umbrella, yeah. Dito sa taas yung yung daan niya pala papunta dun sa rooftop. Dito, sa may hanggang dito, ayan. Papunta doon sa taas. Let's see. Let's go up here. Oh. ganda. Ang luwag. Ang luwag ng ano nila, balcony nila. May barbecue area din dito sigurado sa sobrang luwag. Sa harap niya ang dagat. Tapos dito yung storage room nila. I'm just here. Yep. Come here. Yeah, no, I'm just looking around. Malaki yung bahay ah. Kasi may conference call yung ama niya. Tapos magulo siya dun sa bahay. So, bali na magdumi-dumi siya dito. Basta wag lang siya magulo dun sa bahay. Just to keep him busy. Yan, mag-construction ka dyan. Later, you change your clothes, Lucas, okay? So, binilan siya ng lolo niya ng sarili niyang shovel. Yan, pako-pako siya. Para maging busy. Sobrang init ngayon. Feels like summer. Right? It's really hot. You can go swimming later. The weather is really nice. You can go swim. Really, really swim. Not just play on the shore. Tuwang-tuwa siya kasi payagan ko siyang maligo. Do not step on that one. It will break. You're heavy. Okay, start now. Hammer. Nagko-construction ng bata. It's okay, I'll just wash it later. After that one, we go lah. We go home now. Bubuhos sila. Okay, come on. Online class first.
Can I after this step?
Huh?
After this step.
Howla, last one.
No, I said after this go down.
No lah, hurry up.
When they finish, I'm going, okay?
Wow, so heavy. Tuntua yung lolo niya, nagkukonstruction yung alaang ng apo niya. Marunong na. Buhos. Oi. It's done. Come on. Okay. You leave your... There. You... Look it here. Insert. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. See you later. We go swimming lang after your online class.
No, you can instruct him a little bit first.
Oh?
So that I can earn money.
So that what?
I can earn petty cat.
Pwede ko. Ito yun, marunong na maghanap buhay yung alaga ko. Tulong daw siya sa lolo niya para kikita daw siya. Hold. Tanghaling tapat. So mag-beach kami after na online class niya. Right, Lucas? Are you excited to go swimming with your friends?
I can pick up my swimming thing to
Yes.
keep out of my friends.
You will be the instructor.
What if they don't follow my lead?
Hmm.
Just let them get drowned, right?
No, you need to be patient to teach the other kids, your friends.
I'll show them how I swim.
Yeah, you show them how you swim.
I'll show them to...
So that's all for today's vlog, guys. Mag-online class muna yung alaga ko. Tapos na siya mag-construction. What do you want to say? You see? Sobrang dungis niya.
Look, I'm Power Ranger, and you can see me fighting on the bad guys. The light speed rescue, the red one is me.
Kaya check his ano ba? What's that? Power Ranger. Siya daw yung red one.
Ranger.
So that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel at GTV. Bye-bye. Keep safe.